Oh hey, looky there! It's the 50th Anniversary Monorail. Brooks and I love this monorail so much that we decided to take it home. So we pulled out our old, yet fully functioning 1980s ray gun machine to shrink the monorail. We reduced to an optimal transport size, and by deploying our cosmic generator, we created shortcut tunnels back to our living room. To enhance this immersive experience, Brooks used his ingenuity to attach our GoPro for a front row viewing as seen by the monorail pilot. It will take us a few test runs to get this right, so please keep watching for the final product. In the meantime, please subscribe to our channel, Theme Park Life, Life with a Y. And please let us know what you think about this video and our channel in the comments below, as we're just getting started and would love your feedback. And if you enjoy this father and son creation, please hit the like button and share with your friends. As you can see from our first test run, the weight distribution combined with the sharp turning angles created a less than optimal riding experience. Brooks mounted a light for weight on the inner side to counterbalance the turn angles, reposition the camera, and now it's go time.
Monorail / Disney / Epic, take 2.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are currently holding further traffic clearance.
Take 2, confirmed.
And as much as we love trains, the future of transportation is clearly the monorail.
Well, I've sold monorails to Brockway, Ogdenville, and North Haverbrook, and by gum, it put them on the map. Well, sir, there's nothing on earth like a genuine, bona fide, electrified 6-car monorail. What'd I say? Monorail. What's it called? Monorail. That's right, monorail.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are currently holding further traffic clearance.
Take 2, confirmed.